All right, good morning. It is Friday. We made it, and it's May 1st. We got out of April. We're out of April. We're officially into May now, which is exciting. We're going to look for all those May flowers. We're going to look for warm days. We're going to look for the sunshine to be coming out. It's going to be great. May is going to be a great month. April's a fun month too, but I'm really looking forward to May and getting outside more, and I'm sure you are too. All right, like we do on Fridays, let's go over all of our letter sounds first. And then we're going to do a little bit with the letter O, since we've been working on the letter O this week, okay? All right, first of all, I also want to say it was great to see everybody in math yesterday. I enjoyed that, and I hope you had fun with the roller word. Not roller word, roller shape, right? We did the roller shape, and you did a great job with that. All right, let's go through our letter sounds all together. H, hat. U, up, S, snake, S. T, top, T. A, apple, A. Y, yellow, Y. G, game, G. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. W, wind, W. V, van, V. N, nut, N. Q, U, queen, Qu. K, kite, K. C, cat, K. F, fun, F. B, bat, B. Z, zebra, Z. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. J, jug, J. P, pan, P. I, itch, I. X, fox, X. R, rat, and the sound we've been working on this week, O, octopus, ah. Very good. All right. Sorry. Okay. We have been working on this sound, that ah sound that we hear at the beginning of octopus. If I take a look at this animal, this is an ox. Ox. What sound do I hear at the beginning of ox? What sound is that? Ah, very good. What letter makes that sound? The letter O. Good job. Ooh. If I take a look at an olive, olive. What sound am I hearing at the beginning of olive? I'm hearing that ah sound. Very good. And what letter makes that ah sound? The letter O. Good job. How about the otter? Otter. What sound am I hearing? Not letter. Sound am I hearing at the beginning of otter? I'm hearing that ah sound. Very good. And what letter makes that ah sound? The letter O. Very good. Okay. Now, if I take a look at a mop, mop. Let's tap out the word mop. Op, mop. What is the middle sound in the word mop? Op. There's that ah sound. Very good. And what letter makes that ah sound? The letter O. Very good. Okay. If I take a look at the dog, let's tap it out. D-O-G, dog. What's that middle sound in the word dog? Ah, right? What letter makes that ah sound? The letter O. Very good. How about if I take a look at the box? Let's tap that out. B-ox, box. What's that middle sound in box? B-ox. That ah sound, right? And what letter makes that ah sound? The letter O. Very good. And how about a rock? Let's tap it out. R-A-K, rock. What's that middle sound? Ah, very good. And what letter makes that ah sound? The letter O. Very good. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say two words. If they have that same middle sound, we're going to say same. If the two words do not have the same middle sound, we're going to say not the same, okay? Listen to the first two. We'll do the first one together, okay? Listen carefully. Pot. Let's tap it out. P-ought, pot, and say bag. B-ag, bag. Do they have that same middle sound? Pot and bag? Nope, not the same, right? So we would say not the same for that. All right, how about if we do, say, job. Let's tap it out. Job, job, and say hot. Ought, hot. Do job and hot have the same middle sound? They do. They're the same. So we would say same, right? Good job. All right. Try these two. Say cat, k-at, cat, and try pod. P-odd, pod. Cat and pod. Do they have the same middle sound? Not the same. Very good. All right. Try these two. Say dig, d-ig, dig, and say hop. Op, hop. Do dig and hop have the same middle sounds? Not the same. Very good. All right. Try, say lot. L-ought, lot, and try cod. K-odd, cod. Do lot and cod have the same middle sounds? Same. Very good. Try pop. P-op, pop, and try nip. N-ip, nip. Do pop and nip have the same middle sounds? Not the same. Very good. All right. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you to go into your copybooks. Okay. You know how to do this. All right. And at the top of your page, I'm going to turn so you can see my paper. You can still hear me. We're going to write 5-1-2020. Okay. Very good. It is May 1st, so that's why we're writing 5-1, right? Okay. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to listen to the sounds in my word, and you're going to write the letters for those sounds, okay? But first thing we're going to do, okay, let's put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? So go ahead and get that written on your paper, okay? All right, and then what we're gonna do, oops, sorry, so you can see it well. There you go. Okay, put your finger on number 1. If you need time, go ahead and pause me to do it. Okay, go ahead and pause me. All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna say the word, and we're going to say the sounds in the word, and then you're going to write that word for me, okay? All right, so put your finger on number 1. Everybody put your finger on number 1. Listen to my word. My word is pond, pond. Now listen as I tap it out. P-a-n-d, pond. P-a-n-d, pond. Can you write the letters that go with those sounds? Write your first P. The next one is A, then N, and then D. P-A-N-D, pond. Okay? All right, you go ahead and write yours. Okay, now I'm going to write the sounds I hear. P, P is P. A, O, P, N, N, P, N, D. D. And now I'm going to look and make sure. P-a-n-d. Pond. Very good. Okay, see how you're going to do it? All right, now put your finger on number 2. We've done this before at school, so I think you can do this. Put your finger on number 2. My word is mom. Mom. And remember, we're using all lowercase letters and your neatest writing. Mom. M-a-m. Mom. M-a-m. Mom. Write the letters that go with those sounds, okay? Mom. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do mine now. M. Ah. O. M. Very good. Now I'm going to check it. Mom. Did I write it? Yep, and you did too. Good job. All right, next one. Be careful on this one. This is stop. Stop. Let's tap it out. Put your finger on number 3. Okay? Here's my word stop. 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 You're going to write the sounds that you hear. You're going to write the letters for those sounds. Stop. Stop. Okay, you go ahead and write those letters for those sounds that you're hearing in stop. Stop. Okay, I'm going to start. S. What's that next sound? I'm going to write a T. A. O. P. Very good. P. All right, I'm going to check them. Stop. Stop. Very good. All right, next one. Oh. Okay, say top. Top. Let's tap it out. Top. 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 Okay, you're going to write those letters that go with those sounds. Top. Okay. All right, I'm going to start. T. O. P. Very good. I'm going to put them together. Top. Very good. All right, put your finger on number 5. This time I want to write the word hop. Hop. Let's tap it out. Hop. Hop. Okay, write those letters that go with those sounds. Hop. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start. Is my first sound. That is H, O, P. Very good. All right, let's put them together. Up, hop. Very good. All right, last one. This time I want to write the word hot. Hot. Let's tap it out. Hot. Hot. Let's write that. Let's write those letters that go with those sounds. And T. Okay? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start. H. O. Whoop. Miss Rooney didn't do a very good job there. T. What's that last sound? T. And what letter goes with that? T. Very good. Let's check them. Hot. Hot. Very good. All right. Now let's go back up to the top and let's read our words. Pond. Pond. Mom. Stop. Stop. Top. op, hop, and ot, hot. All right, my friends, put a big star on your paper. Excellent job on your letter sounds this week, especially with that letter O. And we will start some, well, actually not start some, but we'll be reviewing more sounds next week. All right, great job, friends. I'll see you in a little bit.